Is it flashing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Shit. It's our motherfucking time, nigga. Yeah.
Nice motherfucking strip.
FHR, nigga.
Already just made it. Let's see what's popping up in here. Oh, what's up with this one? Dirty sheets and shit. Hold on. Bomb buck lots. That's right. Look at this nigga. Mad luggage and shit.
Man, it's a long day, my nigga, man.
You gotta throw that shit out because we're buying new shit.
Yo, it's a long fucking ass.
I'm gonna wear that shit once. What's going on? What's going on?
This is bathroom.
Song it out.
These niggas can't hold me back. These niggas can't hold me back.
Oh, man.
Is this a pull-out or no?
Yeah, they're all pull-ups. There's two bags.
Word. Provide me a pull-out.
We got the man of the hour right there. Younger bro. Other fam right there. You got Manny Fresh in the building.
Why they pull out?
RT's in the building. General. You got Fresh right there. Remy Rem. You got Steve.
Yo, what's the fridge so I can put these beers in?
Time, my nigga.
CEO of FHR.
Nah, just the seat.
Oh, it's C for now, but we got Young Buck. Young Buck, say something, man. Say something for niggas, man.
Got that right there?
Say something. What we got right there? We got the P right there? Oh, alright. Not even cracked yet. Nothing wounds crunk. Crack that, homie. Young Buck, say something. Youngest one in the crew.
No, Douglas is
Douglas on the bathroom.
Oh, Douglas is younger than you?
Yeah, Douglas is 24.
Alright. Or you're the second youngest. Speak.
Niggas can sleep right here.
Say
Show
something.
my uncle
You gonna
before he gets tied down.
Another
Big mistake. Another
you gonna be able to hand?
big mistake.
You gonna be able to hand?
Mistake.
You gonna be able to hand? Your uncle holds it down, homie. 2, 4 tough, homie. Heavy duty, homie.
Dorchester in the building.
You know what I'm saying?
Corner. 39 open.
Act like you know.
Yo, we got Stanley's bed area.
Ja, men bara visste så här.